right, y'all, so here you have it, a nice lectin-free, keto-friendly dinner or lunch, whichever you prefer. Shoot, it could even be breakfast. Nice keto dinner, and I am preparing my substitute mashed potatoes with cauliflower. And I drained it and I'm putting it in my blender. I will add some butter, black pepper, and garlic powder to this mix. And I'm also gonna add some vegan cream cheese with chives. It's actually pretty good. It's made with almond milk. I'm also going to be adding some unsweetened coconut milk for creamy purposes. Okay, so as you notice, I'm just pulsing right now. What you want to do, especially when you're doing cauliflower, you want to move it around so that all the pieces get in there and blend nicely. So as you can see, it's a very nice and creamy consistency. Ooh, look at that, yeah. So all that's left to do is add bacon bits, and then you are ready to serve. You want some, honey?
Mashed potatoes.
Ooh, it's raining bacon. It's raining bacon. All right, so you just toss those suckers in and you mix it in.
Why do they look so burnt?
Yo, I did them like extra crispy so they could be like bacon bits, like the ones you buy. It's gonna add that extra like crunch element with this creaminess.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Is that all for me? Because I think it's a little bit.
You're so fat.
Yes.
You better share. All right, ready to serve. Alright, fat. I've got some 3 strips of bacon with carrots, and I'm preparing some other vegetables to add, like asparagus.
And here we have the Tomahawk pork chops. And you know what we got in the seasoning? You already know how it's seasoned. Just ask below. Wait, I forgot something. How are we frying these? We're frying these in coconut oil, okay? Woo!
Also, here you have it, a nice lectin-free, keto-friendly dinner or lunch, whichever you prefer. Shoot, it could even be breakfast. You have here a nice, juicy, and filled with fat Tomahawk pork chop. You got your cauliflower substitute for mashed potatoes with your bacon bits and some vegan cream cheese, of course, and coconut milk, which adds to the fat. These vegetables were cooked in the bacon grease. And of course, you got to have your avocado just to really bring up the fat content on this plate. It is delicious, and we are ready to dig in, and I hope you are too.
And yes, baby, we fried this on coconut oil. Woo! Let's eat this, baby.